Shifting focus now, a disturbing update has come out of North Hollywood. This is where LAPD detectives have now arrested a suspect in the brutal attack of a 70-year-old Harpal Singh. Now viewers, this incident happened on August 4th along the 7500 block of Lankeshwar Boulevard. Officers responding to a call of assault with a deadly weapon found that Singh had been severely beaten during an altercation with an unhoused individual. Now, according to witnesses, they heard a commotion and saw the suspect and the victim swinging metal objects at each other. But the situation turned more violent when the suspect reportedly continued to attack Singh after he was already on the ground. Now, paramedics soon rushed Singh to a nearby hospital, which is where he remains under medical care for a skull fracture and possible brain trauma as well. In fact, days later on August 11, North Hollywood detectives circulated surveillance images of the suspect and his bicycle as well. That same night, officers spotted and arrested 44-year-old suspect in the case, who has now been taken into custody. Police say the suspect is unhoused, has a long criminal history involving narcotics and weapons, and that this attack does not appear to be a hate crime as of now, but rather a dispute over property. Now, this suspect has been booked for assault with a deadly weapon at Van Nuys Jail. In fact, in response, LAPD's North Hollywood Division will now be conducting extra patrols in the area. It says it's committed to engaging with the Sikh community to ensure public safety. All right, I'm also being joined by BJP's Manjinder Singh Sirsa. Thank you, Mr. Singh, for joining us here on News 9. I want to understand, how do you look at this incident that's coming to light from North Hollywood? This Sikh man was brutally assaulted. How do you look at this?
This is a very painful incident. It is not a first kind of its kind. Generally, we have seen there are so many racial attacks on Sikhs. A couple of days back, there was another attack in New York, and now there is in Los Angeles. The government in USA has failed to protect the Sikh identity there, and there are continuous attacks on Sikh community, and there too are racial attacks. So we are very much concerned here. Time and again, we have taken up this issue with the government, but still date we got no respite from it.
Right, Mr. Singh, as you mentioned, this is not an isolated incident. A series of such incidents have taken place. I want to understand, what is the kind of conversation we are having with Washington at this point in this regard? I think we are unable to connect to Manjinder Singh Sirsa, but for viewers who are just joining us, let me walk you through the details of this story we are covering at this point. A disturbing update has come out of North Hollywood. This is where a Sikh man, a 70-year-old Harpal Singh, was brutally assaulted. Now, this incident took place on August 4th, and officers responding to a call of assault with a deadly weapon found that Singh had been severely beaten during an altercation with an unhoused individual in this case. Now, according to witnesses, they heard a commotion and they saw the suspect and the victim swinging metal objects at each other. But the situation soon escalated when the suspect reportedly continued to attack Singh even after he was on ground. Now, the suspect has been arrested in the case.